Did you hear that one? I told him that was my favorite last time. I felt instant relief. I was like, woo. I do feel better since last time I was here. I feel way better. Even when I exercise, I feel better.
Do you?
Yeah. Before it was like pain all the time, like all the time. I would call him crying. And so I can't take this anymore. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this anymore. Now I haven't called him at all to And it was because of him I came to you, because he found you on, where'd you find him?
Facebook? Okay.
Yeah, it's been worth it. Thank you so much.
How have you been?
Better.
Good.
Better. No more twitching like I used to before. Even my friends are noticing, what's up with no more.
Hey, really?
I used to do this a lot, and I would do this a lot, like trying to get it out.
Yeah.
The pain out of me, but it's way better.
That's a whole lot better than it was.
Good.
Yeah, and I think it's also me doing exercising.
Okay.
Like I'm doing a lot of abs, a lot of, what do you call it? This top shoulders and arms and legs and back to strengthen myself. I feel better. It's not like 100%, but I do feel way better.
Good.
Way better.
Because that would
Oh yeah.
get annoying after, yeah.
Oh, my family and friends were noticing. They were like, "What's up with you and doing this all the time?" And I was like, "It's the pain. I can't stand it." So.
Oh man.
She also had like that knot that she had on the east side of the shoulder blade.
Yeah.
The right shoulder blade. It's not as big as it used to be. It used to be like really large knot over here.
Okay, it's gotten
right inside of the shoulder blade.
Alright. Well, I've got a new little tool today.
Okay.
It's not the best feeling, but
Oh, okay.
That's what I was telling her though. You know, it hurts a little bit. But
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt. Yeah, it's gonna
hurts
hurt.
a little bit, but it's for the best.
Exactly. Okay.
Well, he's the one that helps me at home a lot with pain. So when I'm feeling it really bad, he helps me a lot. So he knows my body pretty
Just
good.
a little background. One of our dogs knocked her down playing one time, and her ankle got big, and then after that, after a year and a half or so, whenever she gets like a really tense or something, even her body goes like one side to one side, and then it started getting worse and worse, and then with the kind of work that she does, it just made it aggravated even more. So that it actually, I think, also started from the injury from the ankle, and for several weeks she couldn't put a lot of weight on her, so she was always. And so I think her hip also got a little and now whenever she used to get like the pain really bad, it was like you could just look at her and she would be like, I think it was tilted to, I think it was either to the right side, up or down, but it was one or the other, but you could tell, like just visually, just see how. And so, but the good news is that she hasn't gotten like that in a while. So.
Yeah, I haven't been like that since the last time I saw you. I don't think I've gotten like that anymore. He would tell me right away, "You're tilted."
Yeah.
You're like this.
No shame. You're just going to be very honest.
Because I knew that she was in pain too.
He's my posture corrector, so he'll tell me straighten up, and I slouch.
Shoulders
straighten
back.
up, shoulders back. But I do feel way better. I think I left that day and I called everybody. I was like, I feel great. I shouldn't have come alone. So I was to relax.
All right, I gotcha. Let me have you go face down. Yeah, let's get you some more relief. Okay. Right leg is pulling shorter. Hips are level, which is good. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
Just a little bit, not much. No pain, just tenderness.
Okay. back a little bit on that left side. So let me have you sit up on the table for me. And then we'll
This way or that way?
face this way.
Did you hear that one? I told him that was my favorite last time. I felt instant relief. I was like, woo!
I could hear it.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go. Alright, you can relax your arms for me.
I think I'm a little bit more tender here because of the hamstring workout I did.
Ah, gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me, I know these are not the...
Yeah, I feel it more on the left.
Relax.
Dude.
Oh, relax.
Don't worry, if I want to do it on him and tell him to relax, relax.
That's what he tells me. I'm like, I can't relax. Oh.
No, it's not just you on that one. That sucks, I'm not gonna lie. But it's like a good pain. I wouldn't do it if it wasn't helping you by any means. Actually bring that, yep. Let's get underneath this scapula. Breathe.
Woo.
Breathe.
I know it's for my own good.
Breathe in.
I tell him he needs to do it next time.
Last one. Oh, this one's so much better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I could get right underneath that scapula easily.
Isn't that something? The left is the one that hurts the most. And
Alright,
this
now-
is where I feel the pain the most.
Alright, I lied to you. We gotta do that side one more time.
Yeah, it feels really tight.
Yeah,
This side, okay.
yeah. Trust me, I didn't want to put you through more pain, but I didn't.
Breathe.
That side, that right side was just so much better, actually.
Breathe.
Oh.
Breathe. Breathe. There you go.
Good, good.
Oh.
There you go. Breathe.
Breathe. Sorry, but I did a lot of cussing in Spanish in my head. Not against you. It's just like ah. Wow. That's something.
And then
I can feel it.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me have you go face down again for me. Okay, I'm gonna stabilize on the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that? Good, and relax. Raise the left leg up. Any pain with that? Good. Okay, so that tells me sacrum is midline. So no issues with the sacrum, but I always like doing those drops in the lumbar spine here. Let me have you flip onto your back.
Double pop on each side.
No, actually, I think today, honestly, for you, most beneficial was that scapula. Getting underneath that. I'll show you what I got online, so you can do that at home. Lift up.
That's the infamous white strap. Everybody knows to take it at the same time, right?
Oh yeah. It's that love-hate relationship.
Relax, relax.
Oh, I felt it. Oh, I relaxed for this one. I think this was the one I relaxed the most for because I think I like the feeling of it all. But see, the other girl said it came all the way to her back, and see, I only feel it right here. I think it's all right here.
More than just.
Yeah.
Like just in my neck here. I felt it all.
She probably got relief through her entire spine.
But me and you talk about that part, he kept saying the scapula. Pain is so.
Well, let's do a massage, gonna relax things, and actually let's hit the Y strap one more time.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we'll do this first. And then actually when I do the second one, did you want to hold down her knees? Okay. Just so you don't side up as much.
She's kind of light. She doesn't have a lot of weight. Hold her.
Otra vez a strap? Am I being bad today?
Resisting. The neck is resisting your head.
Yeah, we'll get more this way.
Oh, yeah, I felt it. Oh.
Catch your breath. Pull that out from under you.
Breathe.
I wish I was more like him. He's so relaxed when he does his things.
Right?
How'd that second one feel?
Oh, I felt good.
Good.
Both of them felt good. Yep. No, I can feel instinct relief when I'm with you.
Good.
Yeah, especially what you did over here. Oh, even though it's painful. Did you see my face? But it was felt really good. Thank you.
I think if she does those things too, she's going to help the process. I think what you do is what takes it over to the actual healing of the actual problem.
Yeah.
But I think that she can do a lot of things that keep getting better and better.
Oh, I do feel better since the last time I was here. I feel way better. Even when I exercise, I feel better.
Do you?
Yeah, before it was like pain all the time, like all the time. I would call him crying and said, I can't take this anymore. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this anymore. Now I haven't called him at all to tell. And it was because of him I came to you, because he found you on, where'd you find him?
Facebook first.
Okay.
Yeah, and then did a little more research on YouTube, I think, and found some more pieces. And then we researched where you were and stuff. So at first you thought I thought you were like in Nevada or California or something. So I never really checked, and we checked, found out it was here. I was like, you should go. So.
Yeah, it's been worth it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'll see you in a couple of months again.
Perfect.